Instagram stories let you share photos and videos and see what others post. In this video, I'll show you how to view and hide stories to manage them better. Part 1. Tips about viewing Instagram stories. 1. How to view Instagram stories. On mobile, open Instagram and look for profile photos. With the colorful ring, tap to view the story or visit the user's profile. On PC, Instagram's website doesn't show stories, so use a browser extension. 2. View Instagram stories secretly. Open Instagram and let the stories load on your home feed. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, then view the stories. Close the stories, then reconnect to the internet. This lets you watch stories without the user knowing. 3. See who viewed your Instagram story. Open your story from your profile. Swipe up to see the viewers. No views yet means nobody has seen it. Part 2. How to hide Instagram stories. 1. Hide Instagram stories from specific users. Go to Profile Settings, Story Settings. Tap Hide Story From and select the users you want to block. 2. Mute someone's Instagram stories. On your home feed, find the user's profile photo. Tap it, swipe up, and select Mute Story.